In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset the OnePlus Nerd N10. This is variety stick, and let's find out. Usually when we have no access to the lock screen or we can unlock the screen, either we have a pattern or a password or a pin, we need to do the hard reset. Now, doing hard reset means doing factory reset. You will lose every single information on the phone unless if it's already backed up. Now, after completing the hard reset, you still need to use the same Gmail account if there is one was already synced to the phone in order to bypass the activation Google screen. Now, to do the hard reset, you need to turn the phone completely off. With the OnePlus, you will need to press on the power and the volume up together till you see you have a power key. So go ahead and press on power key. The phone should turn off. Some Samsung phones require to have the password or pattern, so we have to do it in a different way. But with this phone, luckily, you can straightforward turn the phone off. Now, the second step you will need also now to press the power and the volume down. Now, once you see OnePlus logo, you have to remove from the power and keep hold on the volume down. So let's go ahead and do it. Power, volume down. The logo appear. I remove from the power. I lift my finger on the volume down, and that should bring this menu right here. Now, if you guys have noticed, I have the same pattern. Now, I don't remember this pattern, so I have just to hit on forget password. Now, if you do, go ahead and do it, but if you remember your pattern, you don't need to do the hard reset anyways. Now, you're gonna get a message right here. It says you will lose everything, music, pictures, etc. So if you're positive you want to go ahead and do this, hit OK. And the nice thing about this phone, it's touch, so you don't need to use the volume up, down keys and power to control. So just touch with your finger and hit OK and confirm, and the phone's gonna wipe all the information. Now the phone's gonna take about a few minutes, and then the phone's gonna go back as factory. Remember, you will need to use the same Gmail account if there is one was synced already to the phone. And I believe that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos here on the channel on Variety Stick, and I will talk to you in the next video.